if you're experiencing connection errors with your Xbox Series X. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test on another device. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug it from the power source for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Navigate to Settings, General Network Settings. Select Test Network Speed and Statistics to check your connection. If you notice issues, consider switching to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable for better stability. Step 5. Adjust router settings. Access your router settings and ensure that Quality of Service Core S is enabled for your Xbox. You can also try changing the Wi-Fi channel to reduce interference or enabling a UPnP universal plug-and-play for better connectivity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X connection. Regular maintenance and adjustments can help keep your gaming experience smooth and enjoyable.